Hey guys, today I am back with a video on a healthcare startup, Nuvo Air. So, it is a time of Corona all around, and I just decided to come up with a video on a startup which can really help people to fight the pandemic in some way. So, let's dive in without wasting any time. Introducing Nuvo Air. Nuvo Air is a healthcare startup. It was founded back in 2015 in Stockholm, Sweden. Lorenzo Consoli is the CEO and co-founder of Nuvo Air. So what's the problem statement of Nuvo Air? What problem they are solving? Now, in order to take care of the respiratory health and keep a track on lung health, people generally will have to travel to the hospital and get them tested. That if they are in a good condition or is there anything to be cured. Also, in this situation of pandemic where corona is spreading everywhere, people are in the need of tracking their respiratory health and sending their track data to the doctor digitally and get cured without going out of the home. So here's where Nuvo Air is offering the solution and is helpful to the people who want to keep a check on their respiratory health. Nuvo Air is a go-to platform for respiratory health tracking, improvement and cure. The startup offers devices to track and monitor the respiratory health of individuals. This data is automatically transferred to the user's mobile app, allowing him/her and the doctor to take relevant decisions and provide medical care based on accurate data. Now, Nuvo Air offers patient Air Next Spirometer, which they connect with the Nuvo Air app. So basically, Air Next Spirometer is an innovative spirometer which can be connected to a smartphone that lets patient understand their lung health in seconds, anytime and anywhere. It is commonly used by patients who measure their lung health from anywhere and research organizations who run clinical trials and aim to collect lung data on a large scale at low costs. Now, the AirNext Spirometer is controlled via iOS and Android apps. It helps the user to perform a valid test by providing feedback on spirometry maneuver. There are separate apps for patients and professional users. So, patients have the possibility to share the spirometry results with their doctor, and the doctor can then access the results via the Nuvo Air portal and thereby provide remote consultation. So, this is their solution. Now, let me tell you the funding raised by Nuvo Air. So, early in 2017, Nuvo Air received Euro 2 million in seed capital from investment Abis Piltan, a leading venture fund in Nordics. And then on April 16, 2019, Nuvo Air announced that they have closed a financing round of USD 3 million led by venture capital firm Industry Foden, one of the largest life science and tech investor in the Nordics. The round also saw participation from their existing investor investment AB Spiltan. So in today's video, I introduced the healthcare startup Nuvo Air. I also told you their problem statement and how their startup is helpful, especially in this situation of COVID-19. I hope you got something new to know. So keep learning, keep watching, and keep sharing.